A very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. You're all welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Let's Learn Together. And this is Shafiq Ahmed, and we are learning a series of importance of cybersecurity and digital safety. So we are learning a series of tutorials, and out of which this is the fifth part of the tutorial, which will make us secure, which will let you secure yourselves, update yourselves, and definitely we are going to defeat the crackers. Now the topic of this tutorial is about morphing. What is morphing and how can we save ourselves from morphing? So let us begin the tutorial with the name of the Almighty, related to morphing. To begin the tutorial, I will show you about the face morphing attacks. And not only morphing can be attacked in images, as well as it can be attacked through videos also. So we must be very alert and save ourselves from this morphing attack also, because of this one also, many of the crackers, they used to demand a lot of money. They used to blame, they used to they can ask you to pay the money for, otherwise they will share your images, that morphed images. They can blackmail you also. So you must be very alert and safe, and I will let you know how you can do that. Let us see few of the images and a few of the examples. You can see over here that that is quite viral, the morph images of PM Modi sitting next to a woman inside aircraft also. So this type of images that you will see every now and then in your YouTube channel, or in many of the places where you will see. Let me show you a few more images, my dear friends, about the morphing. This is really a very harmful attack, and it really can damage the image of someone. Photos of CPI leaders and a morph to portray them for holding placards in support of China. That all the showing the leaders of CPIM and doing all these things, but they are morphed images, false and fake news. Let me show you a few more. You can see our honorable PM Modi is being showed over here that he is going to Chinese President 11 Jinping. That is again a false news, and you can see how sharply the image have been morphed. The image of our Prime Minister Honorable Modi ji has been used over here to show. You can see again over here, morphed India Today graphic falsely claims PM Modi extends lockdown till May 4 also. So that is also one of the image that you can see over here. Image have been morphed, and an image of PM Modi has been inserted over here by using Photoshop or different softwares. So they are actually, what are they doing? They are getting these images of PM Modi and Amit Shah ji and many of other persons very easily. That's why they are able to see all this, do all these things. They can do this. Morph new graphics falsely claim Amit Shah contacted coronavirus. You can see how sharply they have morphed the image over here. So what we can do, and how can we prevent ourselves? Let us see. In recent years, fraudsters have begun to use readily accessible digital manipulation techniques. So what are they using? Digital manipulation techniques. There are many softwares. You will also find it at free of cost in many of the software, in many of the places. So what are they doing? They are using 50-50 average of two people faces. They're including it, and they can even change in the official documents such as your passport, and your Aadhaar card may also be misused by morphing the images. So that is known as face morphing. Let us see a few things that what we can do. How can we save ourselves? So the only thing that we can save ourselves, from morphing is that we must protect our online information to save ourselves. And let me give you a few tips. How can you protect your online information? First of all, ensure information is private and out of reach, so that strangers could not view your personal information. Strangers should not be allowed to see who your friends are, and strangers should also not be allowed to see your post also. So for this, how can you check your privacy? I have uploaded 3 more videos previously before that, this series, in the part 1, part 2 and part 3. Go through those videos and you will be able to make your information very private. The next step, what you can do in Facebook also, you can see over here, we can see who can send friend request. You have said to everyone, that is okay, but here it is, you can see over here who can see your friend list. Set it to only me, means you only can see your friend list. Set it there so that you can save yourselves, only your friends can see your images. Now next, what you can turn off the location services when posting online. When you are posting something online, then turn off location service. I'm not asking you to turn off internet. Turn off your location services so that the hackers cannot locate your cell phone or any other thing. That is a good way you can. If it is really very necessary, then only disclose it. Otherwise, put off your posting while you are posting or chatting online to someone. Switch off the on location services. Only switch it on when it is quite necessary. The third one, you can see over here, there are the images which is showing in the Facebook, and you can see Andrea, Vashari, and 5-4 friends are nearby. This is why I am telling you that to turn off location, because hackers can detect you, and that detect your location also. You can see many of the time you might have also received this type of messages from Facebook also, that these friends are nearby. So why don't you want why do you want to disclose your location to everyone, or to your friends? No use of location, just disclosing your locations. The third thing you can do, your location will be disclosed when you post or upload pictures also. So when you are uploading pictures or when you are posting something, so your location will also be posted. You can see over here Manchester is written over here, so you can see. So don't disclose your location to everyone, because stalkers are those person who used to not leave you until and unless you they get something from you. Means वो आपके पीछे पड़ जाएंगे, है ना? And that will be a very hard job to get rid of those stalkers. So it is better to switch off your location. No need of switching on the location every time. Use two-factor authentication and a strong password on your social accounts. That I also dealt with in 3 videos. So use those two-factor, means 2 layer of services also, to protect your online information. Your password should have the following characteristic. Number 1, it should have more than 8 characters, must have numbers also included, must have one special character like @ hash or exclamation sign. Any of the signs you should include in your password. And make it sure that it is not your date of birth or your partner's name, or very easy one. Make it sure while setting the passwords. You can see you should always have two-factor authentication enabled online, and everywhere you will find, I have shown you in the video also, that how can you do all these things. Let me show you 20 some safety tips. How can you prevent yourself from online cheating as well as morphing also. Tip number 1, keep difficult password for email ID. For example, you can see BBBSHY like this, and it is very easy to remember also. Actually, it is a poem. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bag full. And @ you are using @ also, and use a few digits also, 2091. Don't relate to your date of birth or year of birth, and always try to include one capital letter and small letters, capital and small mixed, so your password like with this one. Tip number 2, keep your recovery option. Means because when you create a free email ID in Gmail, then they used to ask about alternate email or recovery phone number. So keep it secure. Don't disclose it to anyone. Otherwise, they can log into your account by using your alternative email or recovery phone number. Always use virtual keyboard to enter password. While entering password in the online transactions or online banking, please use virtual keyboards to enter those passwords. Next, tip number 4, keep separate password for social networking site for logging in. Facebook, Instagram, do not mix it with your email ID. Okay, your email ID password and your social networking site's password should be different and separate. Never allow browser to store your username and password. And every time browser used to ask you, please save can I save the password? Would you like to save the password? Don't save your password in the computers. until and unless if you are it is really your private computer, then you can do that. Otherwise, make it a habit of clearing, do not saving the password in the browser, and it can be leakage. Always try to clear the history of the browser also after each session, and whenever you have finished up using the browser, clear the history also, so that none of the hackers or the crackers can use it. One more thing, my dear friends, no one calls you from bank for OTP or PIN or for KYC verification. No one used to call you. Just if you want to verify your KYC, you can directly visit bank. Don't respond to this type of calls also. So tip number 7, where is it? Come on. Cover your hand. Oh wow. It's asking to cover your hand, my dear friends. And when should you cover your hands? Let me show you. When you enter PIN at ATMs or POS. Whenever you are entering entering PIN PIN no, at your ATM or POS machine in the mall while transacting, cover your hands and don't let it visible to any other one. So let us move ahead to our next point number 8 about the safety tips. Don't throw the transaction slip at the ATM also. It can be used by the crackers or the hackers to track your details of the card, and many things they can track on. You don't know, we don't know. Use your card yourself at POS while swiping or tapping at restaurants. Means don't give your card, don't hand over your card to the person who is trying to swipe your card. Use your card yourself at POS, and please cover your hand and don't let others to see your password. And you can see be careful at ATMs for scammers. They used to plug in fake device also in ATMs, so be very careful when you are inserting a particular ATM card in the ATM machine. Make it sure that you are entering at the right place and there is nothing external devices have been attached. Make it sure before entering. Consider using the media access control. That is quite good one. MAC address. If you are using a wireless router, then please use MAC address filter so that none of the other people can log in. Wireless router can screen the MAC address of all devices connected to it. So the user, only the real user can connect with the MAC addresses. So it is available in everyone's mobile. You can log in to your wireless router settings and you can use it. Consider activating your wireless router MAC address filter to allow your devices only. That is the 13th tip. And the 14th one, that you will have to secure your wireless access points with a strong password. Actually, that is quite important. Delete unrequired files or data from your computer device more often. Unrequired files, and if you have seen that some files have been downloaded and installed automatically, then please delete those files and run the quickly scan or any other scan program in your computer. Next tip is what? If you are deleting the sensitive material, that is not the sufficient. I am going to tell you about the software which we should use to clear the things. File shredder software should be used to delete sensitive files on computers. Download this software at free of cost, file shredder software, and then use it to clear all the sensitive material which is in your computer. And the next tip, you can see over here, my friends. If you are a victim of cyber stalking, consult your parents. अगर कोई आपका साइबर इंटरनेट के जरिए से आपको कोई अटैक कर रहा है, बार बार आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है, that is known as stalking, पीछा पड़ जाना, then consult your parents, friends or relatives, and then file a complaint also to the cyber stalker with the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal. That I will share the details in my next tutorial. How can you report about these incidents? Always save all communication with the stalker as evidence. एविडेंस के तौर पर आपको सेव करके भी रखना चाहिए सारे कम्युनिकेशन, सारे बातचीत, ईमेल है या व्हाट्सएप है या मैसेजेस है, सेव इट. साइबर क्रिमिनल्स ऑफन क्रिएट फेक सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल ऑल्सो, है ना. वो लोग फेक मीडिया प्रोफाइल बनाएंगे, आपसे दोस्ती कर लेंगे, है ना. दे विल मेक योर फ्रेंड ऑल्सो, दे विल ऑब्टेन योर कॉन्फिडेंस, आपके कॉन्फिडेंस भी जीत लेंगे, एंड देन they will ask you or send you some links to that they have sent you a gift or something else, and if you will click on that link, you will be in problem. Be cautious on tiny or shortened URLs. ये इस टाइप का URL जो नजर आ रहा है आपको ना, ये सब URL जो मिलता है, URL ये एड्रेस, please do not click on this one. They are quite unsafe. जब तक कि आप जो है श्योर नहीं हो जाए that your friend or your father or your parents have sent it, until and unless don't click it. If you receive email purportedly for a foreign lottery, कभी कभी लॉटरी लग जाता है, अचानक आपको मेल आएगा, है ना, you can receive a message also that you have won 20 lakh dollars or euros and please click on this link, है ना, then please do not. They will also ask you to submit a deposit a certain amount if you want to claim your money, then please do not deposit such an amount. I have also received many emails like that. So if you want to get yourself safe from morphing, then you will have to protect your online information, online images and transactions, your personal details. That is the only way we can protect ourselves from morphing and online cheating. Our next topic is where can we report a cybercrime. That is in the next tutorial I am going to deal with how can you report a cybercrime. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe the channel and please like the video and comment also and press the bell icon also. Stay at home and stay safe, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, have a good day.